Hello and welcome back to our Klaviyo email marketing course. So you have designed a beautiful sign-up form, but how do you make it work for you in the most effective way? It's not just above it when it appears, but how and why it shows up. So today, we are diving into the advanced world of customizing your sign-up form, behavior timing, triggers, and targeting to make sure it works with your audience, not against them. So let's get started. The first key is customizing your form. Behavior is deciding when it should appear. So timing can make or break your form's effectiveness. So you want to avoid interrupting the user experiences too soon, but also ensure you don't have to wait too long. So here is a pro tip. So a great rule of thumb. So display the form after a user has spent 10 to 15 seconds on a page or has scrolled halfway down. So this way they have had time to engage with your content but haven't left the site yet. And again, avoiding showing the form as soon as someone attends on your page. So instant pop-up can be jarring and lead to higher bounce rates as well. And moving on to step number 2 is the triggers. So what causes your form to appear? So now let's talk about the triggers. So triggers control what prompts to form up to show up, and it's all about reading your user's behavior. Some common triggers include time on page, scroll percentage, and exit intent. So here is a pro tip for you again. So exit intent pop-up are highly effective, and this triggers appears when the system detects that the user is about to save the page, whether by moving their cursor towards the browser bar or closing the tab, and it's your last chance to capture the interest with a special offer or CTA. But don't overdo it, because too many pop-ups can frustrate your visitors, so use them sparingly and in context. And number 3 is targeting. So personalizing the user experiences, targeting lets you tailor your form's behavior based on who is visiting your site. So this is one of the most powerful ways to create a personalized experience for your users. And here is again next pro tip, which is for first-time visitors. So you may want to introduce your brand or offer a discount code and encourage your signups. But for returning visitors, you could give them an incentive for logging in or filling out their profile. You can also target users based on their activity. For example, if someone has already added items to their cart, offer a special discount for signing up before they check out. And number 4 is segmenting your audience, targeting specific groups. Don't forget about segmentation. You want to make sure you are showing the right to the right person at the right time. So use segmentations to target specific groups based on criteria like user behavior, location, or even where they came from, such as social media, search engines, etc. So here is again another pro tip, which is you can also create custom forms for users who visit specific pages. For instance, someone who visits a product page may be more likely to join your email list if you show them an offer related to that product. And number 5 is A/B testing behavior. Always test and test again. A/B testing is crucial when customizing your behavior. You can experiment with the different triggers, timings, and targeting strategies to see what works best for your audience. And here is again the next pro tip. So it is try testing from placement. So does it convert better as a pop-up or as a sticky bar at the top of the page? And after testing different orders to see what appeals the most to your visitors. And number 6 is integrating forms with automation tools. Once you have got your form behavior set up, make sure it works seamlessly with your automation tools. Make sure that when someone signs up, they are automatically added to your email list and receive welcome email right away. Number 7 is analyzing your form's performance. Finally, always monitor and analyze the performance of your forms. Look at the metrics like conversion rates, bounce rates, and abandonment rates to see how well your form is performing. So here is another pro tip. So if you notice that your form is getting lots of views but few signups, consider tweaking the copy, CTA, or form fields. Small adjustments can lead to big improvements. And that's how you customize your sign-up form to be not only more engaging but also smarter in its approach. By carefully timing your triggering and targeting your forms, you can create a personalized experience that feels intuitive and valuable to your users. So see you guys in the next video.